Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can activate extra dim on Android phone, especially on Android 14. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we can go to our settings application on our Android phone, and we're gonna open the accessibility setting. We can scroll down to find it. Okay, this is the accessibility setting. We have to click on it and then click on the vision enhancement. All right, and here we can just tap on the extra dim feature, this one. You just need to click on this toggle button to activate the extra dim feature, and right after you activate this extra dim feature, your Android phone will be extremely dim. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate extra dim on Android phone, especially on Android 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.